Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I know I look a mess right now. It is currently 6:30 a.m. and it's a Sunday morning, and we are on our way to go do a walkthrough at the new house and to get our keys now. I'm super excited. We got a little ways to drive, and I'm so excited to be able to finally get to this day to get the keys to the place. You guys, I'm so excited. I loved this unit, and I can't wait to get there. So I'm gonna bring you guys along the journey with me. I'm gonna take my bonnet off, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into the day. So obviously, you guys, I don't really have that much time to vlog because we gotta get out of here by 7 and we still have to get the kids ready. But yeah, I'm really excited about this house. So I have on a little sweatsuit here, got my makeup already done, my hair, and no curls in it whatsoever, but it'll be fine. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into the day. So let's get into it. We stopped at Burger King, guys, got us a little breakfast. I actually got lunch because I'm not really much of a breakfast person.
I got breakfast burrito.
Yeah. So yeah. We are pulling into our neighborhood. Hi guys, okay, so I know I have not been picking up this camera like I should have been. It's currently 12:50 p.m. We just left the house. We did the walkthrough with the property manager, making sure that everything was, you know, good, and putting everything on paper and taking pictures and all that stuff. Sorry that you guys hear my baby's video sound in the back. I really hope I don't get copyrighted for this, you guys, because that is little baby bum playing on their little DVD players back there. But when we get back, so like right now we're at the Dollar Tree down the street. We're just gonna get, like, we brought our own cleaning supplies, but we forgot to get the little basic stuff like a cleaning washcloth, gloves, and trash bags for after we're done cleaning. So we're just getting that stuff out of here, and then we're gonna go and get us something to eat because I'm starving. But yeah, so right now I'm just doing some orders on my phone, processing some orders, and then while Kelsey's in the store getting the stuff, and then we're gonna go back to the house and I'm gonna give you guys a little tour. I'm so excited, you guys. This house is gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's such a beautiful home. I absolutely love it. Like, you guys, oh my god, let me tell you guys what happened. Okay, I was getting my baby out the car, right? So I had Kelsey get you know, one baby at the car, I got the other baby at the car. I got her out the car and I walked behind the car because I was about to get ready to put her in the stroller. Y'all, I bust my butt. Like, it is snowing, right? Well, it's not snowing now, but it's a lot of snow on the ground. Like, it snowed overnight. I bust my behind with my baby in my hand, y'all. I'm falling on the ground, got my baby in my arm, like, I'm not dropping you. Like, I just fell to the ground, fell on my butt, and hurt myself, y'all. It hurts so bad. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might have to like get physical therapy for that. I don't know, y'all, but like literally I felt like this is the standard that I've set for my neighbors. Like they're gonna forever know me as a klutz that fell with her baby in her hand. That's me. Y'all, it was crazy. So Kelsey comes running around the car. He's like, what happened? You okay? You okay? He runs, he's sliding all on the ice, about to fall. I'm like, I'm good, I'm good. I got the baby. He takes the baby from me. I get up, I'm dusting off. You see, I got on all black. All behind me was just white. Crazy. I said, oh my God. So my butt is hurting. My tailbone is hurting really bad. But yeah, you guys, so hold on, my butt hurts. But yeah, you guys, like I was saying, I am doing some, you know, some stuff on my phone. Hold on. Okay, yeah, so I'm doing some stuff on my phone. I'm getting ready to go get something to eat after we leave here, and then we're gonna head back to the house. So hope you guys are excited to see the house, as excited as I am to show you guys. And yeah, I'm just not gonna drain my battery. So I'm rambling right now. I will see you guys in the next scene. There's Bae. We chose Subway. Nom 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 nom.
And I have club crackers.
What did they have?
Nothing.
No type of crackers? Who says nothing?
They have nothing.
Zing. I gotta sell y'all.
They gave you a healthy salad. I made sure of that.
Good.
I said, let me do some lettuce, let me do some spinach. I said, but a little bit more spinach.
Nice. Well, I'm supposed to eat it with no crackers. What you get?
I got a sub. I got the chicken and bacon ranch.
Nice.
Plus.
Alright guys, it is 1:28 and we are eating lunch.
About to get ready to go ham on the food.
Yeah, go ham.
What's up, guys? So it's the part that you've all been waiting for, our empty house tour. I'm a bit under the weather right now, so you'll have to excuse my voiceover, but thank you so much in advance for rocking with me and sticking through. So here we have the outside of the home, coming in through the front door. Here we got hubby and the twins. They're just chilling, vibing out, getting a feel for the new house. Lots of stairs there. Whew, I'm getting tired just looking at them. Very high ceilings in the entryway here. I love this, and it has a nice little chandelier that can light up the entire house, so I love that. Into the right here, we got the study, or what we will use as the study. I love how spacious this area is. It's a nice little breezy room with a ceiling fan here, and I love the double glass doors. It really gives this room a classy and inviting look, and I can't wait to decorate it. Moving on, we have the dining room area here on the right. Very spacious. I love this room. And to the left here, we actually have a few rooms. So here to the right, the first door I'm opening up is the utility closet. And that, you know, it is what it is. And then to the left here, we have the basement, which is Kelsey's favorite part of the house, my least favorite. And then we have our guest bathroom here on the right. There's me. So then I'm gonna go on to the garage area. A nice little spacious 3-car garage with a little extra space in the back. So we can use that for like a deep fridge or a motorcycle or whatever you want to use it for. So I love that. And then we're gonna go back into the house. So there's the dining room area, and then here is the kitchen, the living room, and then our mini dining area. So I have to say that the kitchen is my favorite part of the entire house. I love how spacious it is and all of the storage space that we have with all of the cabinets. Nice little window over the sink, my absolute favorite. I love kitchens that have windows over the sink. And then we have a nice little gas stove and then a double oven, so you know cooking in here is about to be lit. Baby girl is knocked out and baby boy is over here chilling with daddy. You guys, I really have 1-year-old twins. I still can't believe it. Like, it just feels so surreal. Hey, say hey. So up the stairs we go, and it is a lot of stairs, you guys. Like, I was super tired once I got up here. But we're gonna go ahead and go through these rooms, give you the tour. So we're gonna do a little 180 here, and as you can see, we got some nice views from the upstairs level. Nice little sunlight, and you can just see the entryway really well. And here is the master bedroom. So this is the first room we'll do. Here's the master bathroom. Got a nice little sunlight window over the tub here, a walk-in shower, double vanity, really nice. And then here is the closet, the master closet, and this is my second favorite room in the house. The closet is big enough for all my clothes and I love it. Another thing I really love about this house in general, you guys, is just the fact that every room has a nice outdoor view and it is also well lit, and I really can't wait to decorate it. So moving on, next we have an extra bedroom here. I'm thinking about making this my office. It's very spacious and also well lit, and the room next to it is just the same. They both have really nice views, well lit, and they are spacious, and I love it. One of these, of course, is going to be the baby's room, but you can see out into the backyard. It's a whole nother row of houses back there. I believe it's a dead-end circle back there, so not much traffic back there, which I also like, especially that you can, you know, each room has so many different views, so I love that. And then once we go out here, we have the laundry room with a nice little side-by-side washer and dryer. Also very spacious in here for a laundry room. I love the shelves on the top where we can organize our detergents. And then we have the guest bathroom here. Also very spacious, double vanity area, and I love the lighting in here. Nice shower, and I'm not sure what colors I'm gonna decorate this bathroom, but I can't wait to decide, because it's really nice in here. The lighting is just great. There's me. And then we have the linen closet right here. Of course, it's empty now, but soon it'll be filled right on up. And then right next to it is another bedroom here. Now this bedroom has the best view in the house. You can see the mountains really good, and I'm thinking that this will be our main guest room, but we'll see. So anyways, guys, that's it. This is the empty house tour of where we will be for the next few years. I'm super excited to share these moments with you guys, and I hope that you all really enjoyed this video. As always, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Be yourself, be you, be beautiful, and be untamed.